So Scratchers, do you want to learn how to develop a smooth animation script in Scratch? Well then, this video covers techniques that will help you in developing a smooth green animation which at times is very useful in games and creating different effects, and is also going to make your Scratch programs more appealing to Scratch users. So first, let's see how the script runs. As you can see guys, there is a fan displayed on the stage area and there is a slider that you can change for setting the fan speed. So let's say we set the fan speed to 12. As you can see guys, now the fan speed is 12. Now let's set the fan speed to 0. And you can increase it even more. So let's say we set it to 100. Now the fan starts moving very fast. Now let's set it back to 0. Now the fan speed slowly decreases until it gets to 0. Now let's start making this interesting program. So first, let's name this project Fan. Now go to the Costumes tab and delete these cats. And I will upload a costume from my computer. So go to the costume toolbar and select this option. As you can see guys, now our fan fins are loaded. Now delete this costume. Now go to the code tab and I will name this sprite Fins. Now for initialization, I will create a new custom block. Name it Initialization. And check that box of Run Without Screen Refresh. Now under the Define Initialization script, we will go to the Looks category and drag the Set Size to block here. And we will set the fan size to, let's say, 30%. Now go to the Events category and drag the When Green Flag Clicked block here. And under the When Green Flag Clicked block, we will call the initialization function. As you can see guys, now the fan sets its size, but it's too small. So let's say we set it to 50. As you can see guys, now it's much better. Now go to the Motion category and drag the Go to XY block here. And in the X value, we will set the value to 0. In the Y value, I will also set the value to 0. Now guys, I will create two new variables. First variable I will name fan speed. So this will be the current fan speed of the fan. Now create a new variable, name it user desired speed. So the user desired speed is the speed that user has given us. Now delete this my variable. And we will initially set the fan speed variable and the user desired speed variable to 0, 0. Now go to the Control category and drag the forever loop here. Now I want that when the user desired speed is greater than fan speed, then we want to increase the fan speed variable. Else, if the user desired speed is less than fan speed, which means that we have to decrease the fan speed variable. Now if the user desired speed is equals to fan speed, then we want it to run at that speed. So to do that, we will drag the if then else condition inside the forever loop. Now go to the Operators category and drag the greater sign block here. And in the first space, go to the Variables category and drag the user desired speed block here. And in the other space, drag the fan speed variable. Now, we will change the fan speed variable by 0.25. You can set any value you want greater than 0.25. Now, in the else statement, go to the control category and drag the if then block here. Now, go to the operators category and drag the less than block here and drag the user desired speed block in the first space and the fan speed block in the second space. Now here we will change the fan speed variable by negative 0.25. Now this part is for checking the user desired speed is greater than fan speed, and this part is for checking that the user's desired speed is less than fan speed. Now let's change the user desired speed variable to a slider by right clicking it. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, the fan speed variable changes until it's equals to the user desired speed variable. But the fan is not rotating, so to do that, we will go to the motion category and drag the turn clockwise degrees block here. Now we will rotate for the value in the fan speed variable. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, now the fan rotates smoothly, but it's rotating in a weird way. It is rotating like this because it is not in the center of the canvas. So go to the costumes tab and convert to vector and drag this fan into the center like this. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, now it's locked in center. Now I want to make a stand. So go to the sprite toolbar and click paint. And I will name this sprite stand. Now I will make a rectangle here like this. And I will fill in the color yellow. Now go to this reshape tool and click it. And I will shrink the size of the top part of the rectangle like this. Now go to the line tool and set the outline thickness to 4. Now click and drag the mouse here and join another line like this here. Now guys, the triangle is not in straight. Now if you don't get in the first try, go to the reshape tool and click on it. Now there is a joint that you can change like this. Now let's place the stand. So I will place it right here. Now go to the code tab and go to the events category and drag the when green flag click block here. Now go to the motion category and drag the go to XY block here. And we will set the X axis to 0 and the Y axis to negative 40. And we will set the direction of the stands to 90. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, now there is a stand holding the fins. Now I don't want the fan to float in the air. So to do that, go to the stage and go to the backdrops tab. And I will fill in the color brown. and set the outline thickness to 1. And I will make this rectangle until it touches here. And there is a white box outside the fence, so let's decrease its size. Now guys, let's run our program. As you can see guys, now it looks very cool, but you can see some edges of this fan coming out here. So that's fine. We can just bring the fence at the bottommost layer and this rectangle in the middle layer and the stand at the topmost layer. So to do that, we will paint a new sprite. Name it table. Now go to the stage area and drag this backdrop into the table sprite and delete it. Now go to the table sprite and delete this costume. Now go to the code tab and I want to place this table right here. Now go to the events category and drag a one green flag lit block here. Now go to the motion category and drag the go to XY block here. And we will set the Y axis to 0 and X axis to also 0. So it is now in center. Now we want the table to be in the middle of the fence and the stand. So go to the looks category and drag the go to front block here. So this means it will be at the topmost layer. Now we will go backward one layer. So it will go backward one layer. So it will be beneath the stand. Now go to the stand. And under the one green flag click block, we will go to the topmost layer. Now go to the fence sprite. And under the initialization script, we will go to the bottommost layer. As you can see guys, now the issue has been fixed. There are no more white squares coming here. Now let's hide this fan variable. So go to the variables category and uncheck this box. And drag the user desired speed variable here. Now guys, let's run our final program. As you can see guys, it looks very cool and it goes very smoothly. Now you can also change and mess with the values of user desired speed. So let's say we change the value to 1000. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, at 1000 it goes very fast. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to learn how to perform a rolling dice simulation in Scratch, this technique you can see in creating different games, then check out my making dice rolling simulation in Scratch. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys and take care.